Hi, in this video, we'll be discussing about authentication. Now, first, when the user request come, the authentication checks for the credentials that are in the request, whether they are valid or not. Now, there can be two types of users. First is a regular user and one is the service account. Now, the regular user are basically human users and there is a external user management system that manages them. So, the regular user are not managed by Kubernetes. And even the credential check happens via the external management system. So the authentication will do a call to the external management system and then the credentials will be checked. Now service accounts are Kubernetes objects and Kubernetes API handles them. They are created as a Kubernetes object service account. Each service account is associated with a secret and each secret is having a token. And that particular token is used for authentication. Now, before going to the authorization stage, there is something called user info, which gets attached to each request. Now, for the regular user, this info will be getting from the external user management. And for service accounts, it is natively managed by Kubernetes. So, username, UID, groups, extra fields, they all will be added before the request goes to the authorization stage after the authentication is passed. Now there are various authentication plugins like the X509 client certs, static token file, bootstrap token, service account token, OpenID Connect tokens, webhook token authorization, authenticating proxy, anonymous auth. So the authentication will be done via these authentication plugins and also the user info is added by these plugins. So on a summary, on a high level, a user, either a regular one or a service account one, the request is sent with the credentials and the authentication stage will check for that credentials. If the authentication is valid, then it adds the user info and passes it on to the authorization stage. Now, if it's a regular user, then everything is managed externally by user management system and Kubernetes will directly communicate with the user management system. If it's a service account, then Kubernetes natively will handle all the authentication as well as the user info attachment. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.